Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. Today I have a super awesome product to show you. I bet you've never seen something like this anywhere else. This is the Asus ROG XG Station 2. It's an external graphics dock guys. This thing can turn your normal laptop or a notebook into an ultimate gaming beast. So Asus introduced the XG Station back in 2007 and this is their upgraded model, the XG Station 2. I'm super excited to unbox and check it out. The ROG XG Station 2 comes in this box packing. It says Ultimate Graphics Power Unleashed. You've got a picture of the eGPU dock here. This is how it looks like. Okay, let's check out its features. It can turn your laptop or a 2-in-1 tab into an ultimate VR ready gaming machine. It uses Thunderbolt 3 technology which is 8 times faster than your USB 3.0 and offers 4 times more video bandwidth than HDMI. It has a lot of ports on it for convenient connectivity. It's also Asus Aura Sync enabled and comes with a beautiful ROG themed plasma tube on the front. This dock supports both AMD Radeon graphics and Nvidia GeForce GTX 9 and 10 series. Plus there's also a 600 watt 80+ gold certified power supply built right into it. So these were its features. Let's get started with the unboxing. I want to thank Asus for sending me this product for review purpose. So the XG Station 2 comes like this. You've got a box over here. I guess you've got some accessories in it. We'll check them out later. Let's first take the XG Station out of the box. And one more thing guys, this is just an external graphics dock. It doesn't come with a graphics card in it. You need to buy that separately. It supports both Nvidia and AMD cards. That's a good thing. You can install whichever GPU you want. So this is how the ROG XG Station 2 looks like. It's quite big in size and also feels heavy. It weighs around 5 kgs. It looks very nice. We'll just come back to that again. Let's first see what do we have in this box. We have a mains card here to power up the eGPU dock and a Thunderbolt 3 Type-C cable. So these are all the items we got in the box. Now let's check out the XG Station 2. The XG Station 2 looks beautiful from the front. The build quality is very nice. It's made of high quality plastic and you've got the plasma tube at the center over here. It looks awesome when it glows. I'll show you how the plasma tube looks later. The whole body has a circuit-like design that makes it look futuristic. Now let me show you how it looks from the sides. On the right side you've got the ROG logo. There's nothing else here. And on the other side you've got a tinted transparent panel to show off the beautiful RGB lighting on it. This is how the back looks like. You've got the Asus branding here and it says XG2 at the bottom. This dock has a lot of ports on it. This is the power socket where you need to connect the mains card. You've got a Thunderbolt 3 Type-C port here, a Type B USB connector, a Gigabit Ethernet port, and 4 USB 3.0 ports so you can connect your gaming keyboard, mouse or a VR headset. This is how it looks from the top. It's got lots of vents on the body to let the heat escape and has a push to open switch at the top. I'll just open the dock and show you the inside. So this is how it looks from the inside. You've got high quality components on it and this is where you need to fix your GPU. You've got two 8-pin power connectors to give power to your graphics card. The PCIe slot is over here. There's only one PCIe slot on it so you can install only one GPU. The XG Station 2 has lots of LEDs on it for RGB lighting. It also has 3 60mm fans pre-installed to cool the GPU and there's another strip of RGB LEDs below that. This is the power button. You need to push this start button to power on this dock. And this is how the plasma tube looks like. You've got a nice ROG logo beside that. The whole construction of this eGPU dock is solid, it feels premium and I love the design. Okay, now it's time to show you how to install a graphics card in it. The graphics card I'm using for the XG Station 2 is Asus Strix GTX 1070 Ti. It's a beautiful card, very powerful and excellent for gaming. The Strix 1070 Ti comes in this box packing. Let me open it and show you. So this is how beautiful the Strix 1070 Ti looks like. It's got a triple fan wing blade design and also has Aura Sync lighting on both the front and the back plate. It's a very expensive card, costs about 70,000 rupees. Now let me show you how to install the GPU in the XG Station 2. Just take your graphics card and install it in the PCIe slot on the dock. So I've installed the graphics card guys. This is how it will look like. The final thing you need to do is connect the two 8-pin power connectors to the GPU. Once that's done, close the dock. You're ready to power it on. Now let me show you how to connect it to a laptop. First connect the mains card to the 3-pin power socket on it. Then take the Thunderbolt 3 cable. Connect one end to the dock over here. And the other end should be connected to the Thunderbolt 3 port on your laptop. Now guys, these eGPUs work only with laptops that support Thunderbolt 3. In my case, I'm connecting the XG Station to my Asus ZenBook 3 Deluxe. So once after connecting the cable, all you need to do is hit the start button. And bam, look at that plasma tube! Holy smokes, that is super awesome! Let me turn on my notebook. Ah, there you go. The XG Station 2 has powered on and is ready to be used. The setup process was very easy, right? It's a plug and play dock, guys. You don't even need to restart your laptop after connecting it. You can connect and disconnect it anytime you want. Just look at the beautiful RGB lighting on it. It looks so gorgeous. This thing will transform any regular laptop into a total gaming beast. What I love the most about this thing is that red ROG themed plasma tube on the front. I've never seen something like that on any gaming product till now. Now let's talk about the performance. Let me show you the Geekbench 4 scores with and without the external GPU. This is the score of my ZenBook 3 Deluxe without the XG Station 2. It only got about 20,000, which is pathetic and useless for gaming. On my experience, I'm telling you, you can't play AAA title games even at the lowest resolution on this notebook. But let me show you what happens when you connect the external GPU. It got a mind-blowing score of 1,64,483 on Geekbench 4. Nothing less expected from 1070 Ti. This XG Station takes gaming on your notebook to the next level. Let me show you the gaming performance. Let's start off with Battlefield 1. I'll be using this GameSir G4S gamepad to play the games. So let's begin. I'm playing the games at 1080p resolution in ultra graphics settings. Just check out the gameplay. The gaming performance was excellent. AAA title games felt buttery smooth. I was easily averaging above 80 frames per second at 1080p and 60 frames per second at 1440p. The results will definitely vary depending on the graphics card you're using on this dock. I would recommend you to go with 1070 or above. If you're running on a low budget, then try to get at least 1050 Ti for good gaming experience. I've also played Just Cause 3 on it. Just check out the gameplay. Now let me tell you a few things about these external GPUs. The GPU performance that you get through these docks is slightly less than the ideal performance. There will definitely be a degradation of 20 to 30% in the performance. That's because this whole thing is running only on a single Thunderbolt cable and nothing else. Now the reason for that can be either due to limited bandwidth or CPU overhead, but that's not a big issue. You're still getting a huge gaming advantage on your notebook. Now you might say me, what's the use of buying a notebook or an ultrabook, then get an external graphics dock and pair both of them for gaming, when you can actually get a good gaming laptop for the same price? Yes, that is also correct, but gaming laptops with good GPUs like 1070 or 1080 can be quite heavy and bulky. They're not convenient while traveling. That's why the company made this. You can just get a notebook or an ultrabook that is super lightweight and easy to carry, and when you feel like you want to play games on it, just connect the XG Station and you're good to go. So that is the reason why external docks were made. You can not only use the XG Station for gaming, but if you have any professional series cards like my Radeon Pro WX 9100, then you can also use it as an ultimate machine for animation, rendering, and even video editing. Premiere Pro was running exceptionally good when used with the XG Station. I could easily edit and export 4K videos without any hiccups on my laptop. So that was my review on the Asus ROG XG Station 2 external GPU dock. It's an amazing solution to step up gaming experience on your laptops. The build quality is extremely good, love the plasma tube on it, and the performance was also really good. The XG Station 2 is priced for about 45,000 rupees. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So you guys let me know what do you think about it. Would you prefer to use a notebook with an external GPU or get a dedicated gaming laptop for the same price instead? So that was it for today. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you guys liked it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up. and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos, and I'll see you in the next one.